Hi, I'm Andrea of by Andrea Janssen, and today we're going to prepare pulled chicken from the slow cooker. And I'm going to prepare that with my own homemade barbecue sauce. And it's going to be so delicious. So let's start.
We'll start easy. Curry sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce. Just throw everything in the slow cooker. No fuss. Then fry in the skillet the onion, add the garlic. It smells good already, right? Now mix everything together, including the onion garlic mixture and the fennel seed. Add the chicken and turn it over so that it is nicely submerged. And slow cooker on, feed up, relax.
And now I've put everything in the slow cooker. I'm going to turn it on. You can turn it on for 6 to 7 hours on low heat or 3 to 4 hours on high heat.
After 7 hours, your chicken will be so tender that it will almost fall apart by itself. Now, let's start. And put everything back in the sauce and stir well again. Take a bun, heaps of chicken, some lettuce and done. Enjoy!
As you can see, my pulled chicken is ready. And of course I'm going to try it first. It's tender and it's moist and sweet. With an intense flavor, it's really delicious. And I'm going to serve it with salad and bun and maybe some French fries. I know my boys will love this one. This recipe is enough for 4 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my blog. It's got a great feature which will do the calculations for you. And I'm going to serve this for dinner. Bye!